right, so I'm going to show you how to put the knurl on the slide. Okay, so I'm going to show you on this side. Now the knurl is 10mm in from the edge. Okay, now obviously I'm on the lathe, I'm going to use the lathe. Okay, so I need to make sure I've got my safety glasses on. I'll take my tie off, or I'll tuck it into my shirt well out of the way. Okay, I've got my dust coat and my boots on. Okay, now notice how I've got a little bit of copper in the 3-jaw chuck there. Okay, now that's because I'm cutting aluminium, and the 3-jaw chuck is hardened steel. I don't want to crush that aluminium. I'm going to keep it quite tight because I'm knurling both ends. When I have to knurl the other end, okay, I have to put the knurled bit back in the chuck, and the knurled bit is raised once it's been marked into the material. So I'm going to pop it in the 3-jaw like that. Okay, I need to leave a little bit, just over 30, just over half of the slide out of the chuck. Okay, I'm going to tighten it, I'm going to get it nice and tight. Yeah, now I can knock it out of gear. Yeah, so I can turn the chuck, so I can tighten it from the top, like so. Tighten it like that. Get it nice and tight. Okay, now knock it back into gear. Now notice it's on the lowest setting of 90. Alright, now I've got my knurling tool. Now I've set my knurling tool in the tool holder. Okay, you can see how it's set. Okay, it's somewhere in the middle there like that. I'm going to push it up against the edge. Okay, pop it on. Yeah, so I can see it. That works out alright now. Okay, now you can scribe a mark 10mm in from that edge. You could use a digital height gauge to do that. Okay, I've worked out where that knurling tool needs to go to mark that on. Okay, so I'm going to push it up like that. I'm going to zero the settings. Okay, I'm going to move the knurling tool out, and then I've worked out that if I move that knurling tool to minus 21.3, there you go, like so. Okay, 21.3. I know that when I start the machine and I move that knurling tool in, the back edge of that knurling tool is 10mm from the end. So I'm just starting to push it in. As soon as I see it start to mark, I'm going to zero the X. Okay, now I'm not cutting the material, I am forming the knurl. So I'm just pushing the pattern of the knurling wheels into the aluminium. So I'm going to push it in to minus 0.1. Yeah, now I can stop the lathe, have a little look, see what the pattern looks like. Right, well I can see I need to go a little bit deeper, so again I'm just going to push it in. I'm going to push it into 0.2, like so. Okay, I'll just do it to 0.3. Now I'm not going to go any more than 0.3. Remember, I'm forcing that tool in, okay, and I don't want to create too much force, just enough to start to give me a pattern. And that's quite a good pattern on there, I'm happy with that. Okay, so I'm going to move that out. Now because the knurling tool is 7mm wide, and I need to knurl 10mm wide, I'm going to move that minus 21.3 to minus 24.3. Like that. And then I'm going to put the knurling tool in. Now I've already reset it, okay, so again I'm just going to slowly take it. I'm going to take it to around about 0.2. I'm not going to go beyond 0.3. I'm just looking to try and match that knurl. Okay, I can stop the machine, again have a little look at the pattern. That pattern looks quite good. I'll just go that little bit further. Okay, I'm at minus 0.3 there. Okay, yeah, stop it and have a quick look at it. I'm quite happy with that knurl pattern. So then I'm going to move it out like that. I'm going to move it well away so I can't jam my fingers in. I'm going to lift this up. Okay, I'm going to remove, yeah, like that. I can turn it round, I can do the other end. Okay, let's have a quick look. I'm going to check to see the position. Is it's in the right position? I can see it's in the right position when I hold up my knurling gauge there, my measurement gauge. It's 10mm wide knurl. Okay,